Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to add light and dark mode to your map in Mapbox. Now, the last episode we looked at how to scale our Mapbox map depending on whether or not we're on mobile or desktop, and now we're going to be carrying on from that episode. We're going to be adding in a toggle button to toggle between two different styles. So you want to go ahead and add in a code embed to your page and paste in this block of code. Now this will be featured in a blog post that I have, so you won't have to worry about typing this out yourself. Everything will be provided for you. So go ahead and paste that in, and you'll be able to actually preview it in the page and look at the toggle button. Now you can replace this with any toggle button you want, provided that you make the correct changes to the code. So go ahead and publish the page. Now you can see that that didn't show up because the Z index was too low for the code embed, so we're just changing the Z index so that the code embed will appear higher than the map itself. Now on the page refresh, you can see it and see how it works. Obviously right now it doesn't do anything, but that's what we're going to change. So coming through to our REPL, this is where we're hosting all our code. If you don't know how to do this, refer to the earlier video. Now we've got a light style and a dark style that I've included in this code, and obviously I'll leave all this code available for you to copy and paste. So we're going to start out by initializing our toggle switch and getting that using document get element by ID. We're going to make sure that we have an event listener for when it changes, and then every time it changes we're going to change the style from light style to dark style, and we're obviously starting out on the light style. So now when you run these two on both mobile and the desktop map, you can see that these change really easy, really quick. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where we will cover how to actually change the language of the map dynamically based on where the user is, based on the user's default browser language. Thank you.